Air conditioning is a form of technology used to cool, dehumidify, and filter the air within closed spaces. Today, air conditioning units are commonly found in homes, offices, and other public buildings due to their climate control capabilities. Furthermore, they can also be used to regulate humidity levels and eliminate indoor pollutants, improving overall air quality. Thanks to its invention, individuals have access to efficient cooling solutions whilst helping reduce energy costs. Choosing a reliable AC company can be tricky. To help, we have put together a comprehensive list of the best air conditioning companies in Toronto. All of these companies are renowned for their outstanding services and guarantee full customer satisfaction. The first one, Laird & Son Heating and Air Conditioning. Laird & Son takes great pride in providing only the most cutting-edge options to reduce energy consumption and improve your home's comfort. Their superior air quality control, anti-allergen advantages, and perfect design for young families or senior citizens make them the outstanding choice for all of your HVAC needs. Number 2, Enercare. Enercare. Their range of furnaces, air conditioners, water heaters, and thermostats are all designed for superior performance with easy-to-navigate controls that make managing energy needs simple. They also have an industry-best maintenance and repair team available 7 days a week, ensuring your comfort all year long. Number 3, Mersey Heating and Air Conditioning. Mersey Heating and Air Conditioning is your source for reliable solutions to all of your heating and cooling needs. From air conditioners and furnaces to boilers, heat pumps, and humidifiers, their experienced team is here to deliver the highest quality service. Number 4, AtlasCare. AtlasCare offers top-notch HVAC and plumbing services to help you maximize your home's potential. No matter what situation arises, from air conditioner installations to emergency furnace repairs, AtlasCare has you covered. They have dedicated teams ready for installation and emergency service technicians on standby 24/7, 7 days a week, so you know help is always close at hand. Number 5, Husky Heating and Air Conditioning. Husky Heating and Air Conditioning provide quality installation, repair and maintenance services throughout the Greater Toronto Area. With over 45 years of experience in the home comfort services industry, they offer Canadians a full line of high-performing products and services to maintain your home's temperature year-round. These companies have earned a reputation as the best in the industry due to their professionalism, expertise, and dedication to delivering exceptional air conditioning solutions. They offer comprehensive air conditioning services, including installations, repairs, and maintenance, with a focus on customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more videos.